Dorchadas, the Irish word for darkness. In Irish myth and folklore, the Sidhe, or the fairies, emerged from the hollow hills at twilight and moved across the landscape, hidden in darkness, reminding us symbolically that what is hidden in Dorchadas may both unsettle and transform us. In Jungian depth psychology, to know our own wholeness is to come to know the hidden, mysterious parts of ourselves. Our shadow, as Jung named it, is the realm of the unknown, the unconscious. In that realm lies the parts of our being that we have suppressed in order to belong and fit in. In Irish mythology and folklore, as with our own inner world, darkness is not only a place of fear, but also a liminal space, a realm of potential, transformation, and encounter. When we dare to meet our own darkness and cultivate a relationship inward, we find it holds wisdom, growth, and transformation. As with these ancient tales and myth, Dorchadas is not only an ending, but the fertile ground of beginnings, the seed beneath the earth, the liminal space between seasons, the place where transformation quietly stirs. Dorchadas, darkness.